Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to store the important files and unstar that files in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9 operating system. So first I am opening the file explorer because we are going to see it in GUI mode. Okay. So in left hand menu you can see that starred. Okay. What do you mean by star? Means that files which I have marked as important file will be displaying there. Okay. So how to do that? Okay. So simply select the file, right click, in menu you can see that star option will be there. Just click that. Now you can see that welcome.sh is appearing in starred category. Okay. You can also unstar by right click in context menu by selecting the unstar. Okay. Now I am going to star the important files in bulk. Okay. So go to Explorer. So you can see a lot of files with appearing with the star symbol. You can check. Okay. So I am check the stars. Okay. You can also sort the starred files. So now we can see in starred files, you can see what are the files I have starred are appearing. So now I am unstarring. Yes, files which I have unstarred does not appear here. So you can also sort by selecting the drop down in File Explorer. So folder also you can start. Okay. You can see that templates directory is an important directory, so I have given the star. So this feature will be very useful if you want to go to any important files directly. You can use the star and unstar features.